feeders, we'll be making a Cheerios feeder and the toilet roll tube feeder. So the first one we'll start with is the Cheerios feeder. All you will need is a pipe cleaner and some Cheerios. So first you need to do is put a loop into the top of the pipe cleaner so that the Cheerios don't fall off the end. And then you need to feed through the Cheerios. You could also use raisins or fruit to feed through as well. When you finish making the Cheerios feeder, you will be putting it into a circle like this one and connecting the ends. This is what it should look like. And when you have finished doing this, you need to put it where you think the birds would go, for example, a tree or a bird table. Here is our finished bird feeder, and this is what we're going to do: put it on the branch and let the birds eat it. So the next bird feeder we're going to make is the toilet roll tube feeder. For this you will need toilet roll tubes, peanut butter or jam or chocolate spread, anything that the food will stick to. You will need a spoon and corn or any other type of bird seed, for example peanuts or a seed you can buy from your local supermarket. So to start off with, you will need to get your toilet roll tube and you will need to use your spoon to smother the peanut butter all around it evenly. Once you've done that, you'll be rolling your tube into seeds or corn or peanuts so that they stick to your toilet roll tube. Then when it's finished it will look like this. Once it's finished you can either put it onto the branch as it is, or you can put the hole in the top of the feeder here and here and add string so you can make a hanging feeder. Putting our bird feeder on the tree. Thank you for watching our video. I hope to see some of your pictures of your bird feeds that you have made. Thank you for watching.